Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have to ask the ask because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. Ask the ask we change for this one. So the integration of this one we have like this. About u, that is about s squared. And that is the final answer. The next one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change for u. This one we change for du over number 4. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about s to the power of 4. That is the end. Thank you for watching.